वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। हमने एक सीरीज स्टार्ट की है जिसमें हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जनरल नॉलेज से रिलेटेड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज जो कि ऑलमोस्ट हर एग्जाम में रिपीट होते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, ब्रिटेन इंटेलिजेंस सर्विस इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए इज मोसाद, ऑप्शन बी इज केजीबी, एंड ऑप्शन सी इज बीआईए, एंड ऑप्शन डी इज MI6. So the correct answer is option D, which is MI6. मोसाद इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी है इजराइल की, और केजीबी थी सोवियत यूनियन की, और बीआईए है हमारे पास यूएसए की। The next question is, Israel occupied the Golan Heights in 1967 from? Option A is Egypt, option B is Lebanon, option C is Jordan, and option D is Syria. So the correct answer is option D, which is Syria during the Six Day War. The next question is, Alexandria is the seaport of? Option A, Greece, option B, Iraq, option C, Syria, and option D is Egypt. So Alexandria is the seaport of Egypt. Option D is the correct one. The next question is, the world's oldest national anthem is associated to? A, China, B, Iran, C, Greece, D, Netherlands. So the correct answer is option D, which is Netherlands. The next question is, which of the following international organization has no central command? Option A, NATO, option B, G8, option C is the D8, and the option D is none of these. So the correct answer is option B, which is G8. The next question is, the world's biggest vertebrate is? A, tiger, B, camel, C, blue whale, and the D is none of these. So the correct answer is option C, which is blue whale. है हमारे पास, Freetown is the capital of? A, Sierra Leone, B, Senegal, C, Rwanda, D, Uganda. So the correct answer is option A, which is Sierra Leone. So it's a country in the Africa. The next question is, after the US, the biggest quantities of the nuclear reactors are in? Option A, Russia, option B, UK, option C, Japan, and option D is the France. So दुरुस्त जवाब है हमारे पास फ्रांस. The next question is, May 31 is watched all through the world as? A, Environment Day, B, Human Rights Day, C, Press Freedom Day, and the D is the No Tobacco Day. So the correct answer is option D, which is the No Tobacco Day. The next question is, Serena Williams is a famous player of? A, basketball, B, tennis, C, badminton, and the D is none of these. So correct answer is option B, which is tennis, and Serena Williams belong to the US. The next question is, the headquarters of the World Health Organization, which is called WHO, is situated in? A, Geneva, B, Vienna, C, Paris, D, none of these. So the correct answer is option A, which is Geneva, and it's in the Switzerland. The next question is, Pisa Tower is situated in? A, Germany, B, Italy, C, France, and the D is Paris. So it's located in Italy. Option B is the correct one. The next question is, Hezbollah of the Lebanon was established in which year? A, 1978, B, 1980, C, 1982, D, 1987. So option C is the correct one, which is 1982, when Israel attacked the Lebanon. So Hezbollah was formed in 1982. The next question is, the writer of the book A Brief History of the Time is? A, Michael Green, B, John Keith, C, Stephen Hawking, and the D is none of these. So correct answer is option C, which is Stephen Hawking. The next question is, the headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization is situated in? A, Rome, B, Geneva, C, Vienna, D, none of these. So the correct answer is Rome, which is located in Italy. The next question is, Strait of Bosporus interfaces? A, Black Sea and Red Sea, B, Black Sea and the Baltic Sea, C, Black Sea and the Sea of Marmara, and D is none of these. So the correct answer is option C, which is Black Sea and the Sea of Marmara. The next question is, Damascus is located on the bank of a river? A, Rhine River, B, Nile River, C, Brother River, D, none of these. So the correct answer is option C, which is the Brother River. अगला सवाल है हमारे पास, Dome of the Rock is situated in? A, Jerusalem, B, Iraq, C, Lebanon, D, Jordan. So A is the correct answer, which is Jerusalem. The next question is Abyssinia is the old name of A. Indonesia, B. Malaysia, C. Ethiopia, D. None of these. So the correct answer is option C, which is Ethiopia. The next question is Bhutan is known as A. Land of rivers, B. Land of the mountains, C. Land of thunderbolt, D. None of these. So the correct answer is the option C, which is the land of thunderbolt. The next question is which of the following nation listed below is known as the land of the thousand islands? A. USA, B. Ireland, C. Indonesia, D. Russia. So the correct answer is the option C, which is Indonesia, and they have almost 17,000 islands. The next question is which nation won the first Hockey World Cup? A. Sri Lanka, B. West Indies, C. Australia, D. Pakistan. दुरुस्त जवाब है पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान ने फर्स्ट हॉकी वर्ल्ड कप जो जीता था वो 1971 में जीता था. अगला सवाल है AGI is the news agency of A. India, B. Germany, C. South Africa, D. Italy. So AGI जो न्यूज़ एजेंसी है वो इटली की है. D is the correct answer. अगला सवाल है हमारे पास which is the greatest organization of the PC programming on the planet? A. Google, B. Yahoo, C. Microsoft, D. MSN. So the correct answer is option C, which is Microsoft. अगला सवाल है हमारे पास the book Living History is written by A. Benazir Bhutto, B. Margaret, C. Hillary Clinton, D. Monica. दुरुस्त जवाब है हमारे पास option C, which is Hillary Clinton. The next question is TAPI and Understanding Mark in 2010 identifies with T is Turkmenistan, A. Afghanistan, B. Pakistan, and India. These four countries have signed an agreement which is related to the gas. The next question is Azerbaijan is situated in A. Middle East, B. Central Asia, C. Latin America, D. Western Europe. So the correct answer is option B, Central Asia. So Azerbaijan is located in Central Asia. The next question is headquarters of the World Meteorological Organization is situated in A. Geneva, B. Paris, C. Vienna, D. None of these. So the correct answer is option A, which is Geneva, which is located in Switzerland. The next question is Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of a stream. A. Jamna, B. Ganga, C. Narmada, D. None of these. So correct answer is the option A. Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of a stream of a Jamna. Next question is which is the longest mountain chain of the planet? A. Himalaya, B. Andes, C. Rockies, D. Alps. So the correct answer is the option B. Andes, which is located in the America. The next question is Mossad is the inside organization of A. Iraq, B. Israel, C. Iran, D. India. So इससे पहले भी हमने डिस्कस किया है कि मोसाद ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है इंटेलिजेंस इजराइल की. So B is the correct answer. The next question is in which mountain range is Siachen found? A. Himalaya, B. Karakoram, C. Hindu Kush, D. None of these. So B is the correct answer, which is the Karakoram. The next question is Neil Eldon Armstrong, an American, was the primary man to set foot on the moon in the air. A. 1969, B. 1965, C. 1964, and D is the 1968. So the correct answer is option A, which is 1969. The next question is German assault on Poland was the reason for A. World War I, B. World War II, C. Cold War, D. None of these. So the correct answer is the World War II, which is option B. The next question is Dublin is located on the bank of the river of A. Nile River, B. Rhine River, C. Liffey River, D. None of these. So the correct answer is the option C, which is Liffey River, and the Dublin is located on the bank of the Liffey River, and Dublin is the capital of Ireland. The next question is claustrophobia is the fear of A. Society, B. Height, C. Depth, D. Confined spaces. So the correct answer is option D, which is confined spaces. The next question is vitamins were found by A. Marine, B. Chadwick, C. Frank, D. Sesame funk. So the correct answer is the option D, which is sesame funk. The next question is biogas is the normal name of A. Natural gas, B. Hydrogen gas, C. Hydrogen gas, D. Oxygen gas. So correct answer is the option A, which is the natural gas. The next question is Faxian was A. Chinese traveler, B. Portuguese sailor, C. Japanese navigator, D. None of these. So the correct answer is the option A, which is the Chinese traveler. Thank you for watching the video.